In this video, we'll install and set up Atom, a text editor, for you to use during your pre-work. I'm here on the Atom setup page, and if you follow along, you'll see that we have all of the instructions you'll need to set up Atom on your computer. If you follow this first link to https://atom.io, it will take you to Atom's site where you can download Atom. Here on Atom's homepage, there should be a button that says Download for Mac. You're all on Macs, so go ahead and click on that button. This will begin a download process. As you can see, it's going down here in my Chrome browser, which will eventually complete and allow us to install Atom. Once your download has completed, you can use the Spotlight search from Command Spacebar to open Finder simply by searching for it. Once Finder opens, go to your Downloads tab, and you'll see a .zip file which contains everything you need to use Atom. You can double-click on the zip file to extract its contents. Once Atom's extracted, simply drag it into your Applications directory. Here you can see Atom in my Applications directory. Now you can open Atom either by double-clicking on this icon or, again, using Spotlight search, Command Spacebar, to search for Atom by name. You'll see this warning that says Atom is an application downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? We know what we did here, so yes, go ahead and click Open. That will open Atom for the first time. As you can see, this is just a basic text editor. I can type any contents I want inside of it. One additional piece of setup that's very useful, if you click on this Atom drop-down, you'll see this Install Shell Commands option. Go ahead and click on that, and what that will do is it will install the Atom command to your command line tools for your terminal. What that will allow you to do is open new files directly into Atom from command line. Let me close this Atom window with Command W. And now I'll open Terminal with Spotlight search. And now I'll open a new file called helloworld.java right from here. I'll type Atom and then the name of the file I want to make with whatever extension I want. And when I hit return, it opens that file in Atom. Here I am in helloworld.java. Now I'm free to type whatever I want.